think you need it actually. Just need to take this out. This out. Some of these. Some of these. I have to also loosen here. So I'm going to show you, it's right behind this. So you're going to have to take this out, this hose, so you can be able to see all the way in there. The sensor is in there. So what you do is, you try to take this hose out and reach your hand in the back. Let me see. Okay, so if you have a small hand, what you do is you're taking this, loosen this out, just basically just pull them out, and then you can move this out of the way, reach in here, and going to this right here. So you just use a regular plier. It's hard to break, so you don't have to take this whole thing out. However, if you cannot do it, that's exactly where it is. So if you don't have a small hand and you can't reach in here, what you do is you want to remove this unit. So what you do is you're taking this connection out, and then there's a bolt, 2 bolts in the back. There's a dark one, there's the 1 bolt right there and 1 bolt right here. So you can take this whole unit out so you can reach all the way back there, and using the wrench like this to able to take it out. But that's how I do it. I literally go in with a wrench, and I go all the way in there like that and loosen it up. It's not easy to move around in there, but you move very little at a time to able to get in there. So that's how you can able to remove them. But if you want more clearance, you might want to, if it's hard and you can't take it out, what you do is you might want to remove this whole unit. Then you have more room. And there is a, so there is this sensor line powers right here. So once you remove that, you can able to pull them, through here and then replace it, or you have to remove this whole thing. I would say removing this whole thing is easier for you guys. So remove this whole unit, then you can able to reach in there easier once you loosen it up. Is awesome for this kind of job. Perfect. Gray goes with the gray. Connect them back together. That's it.